Awareness Month, and this weekend in Palm Springs you can go to the Neighborhood Picnic and Expo, and that's going to be a place where you can find out more about leak detection and how you could be losing hundreds of dollars by that leaky faucet. And joining us this morning is Jimmy Carter of the American Leak Detection. Good morning. Thank you for joining us.
Good morning.
So let me ask you, you were recently at a mobile home park. You found that there was a leak totaling about $2,000 a day in payments.
Yeah, that's right. We were called in by the landowner, and they were receiving massive bills of $2,000 a day in addition to what they normally use. The water district came out, thought they had a massive leak, so we came in and ended up going through the whole park, which is like 130 trailer units, and come to find out it all boiled down to just a lot of leaky toilets, runny faucets, and leaky irrigation valves.
Wow.
Once we were able to eliminate that, the meter stopped running, and that solved the leak issue. But they thought they had a wide open water line, equating to a massive water leak, when it just boiled down to just a lot of drippy faucets.
$2,000 a day for a leaky toilet. Well, Jimmy's going to help us save KMIR6 some money. Let's go into our restroom over here to see if we can find a leak. And then, anybody in there? I guess not. It's safe. So let's go inside and check it out, Jimmy. All right. This is our restroom. Welcome. Let's go in here and have a look. There's our toilet. What can you tell us?
Well, what we're looking for on a toilet is to see if the water is overflowing into the drainage part of the toilet, or if a flapper is leaking itself, it could be allowing water to go from the tank into the bowl.
Okay.
And so what we're looking for is movement. So what we've done previously is we put in some dye tablets and just a blue dye in the toilet to see if water is actually leaking from the tank into the bowl, which is going to allow the water level to come up and then flow down to the sewer line, which is a waste of water. So that's what we're looking for. So as we remove the tank, you can see that we have the blue dye inside the tank. And what we want to see is if that blue dye is now making its way into the toilet itself. So as we lift this up, we can see that there's no blue dye in there. And what I can do is I can simulate what that's going to look like by just lifting up the flapper, just kind of showing what a leak would look like. So as we lift this up, you'll start to see the water turn blue, and there it goes. So that's what you're looking for. If the tank was leaking in the bowl, this is what would show up. And that's what we're looking for, because that's going to add up and cost you money, and it's losing our precious resource of water running down the toilet. So that's what we want to look for, because that's dollars adding up quickly inside of a home.
We're going to go ahead and tell you about this weekend's event. It's called the Neighborhood Picnic and Expo. It's going to be at Ruth Hardy Park this weekend from 11 to 2 p.m. There's going to be a lot of food, music, and fun there, and also a great place for you to find out if you're having a leaky faucet or a toilet in your home, which could be costing you hundreds of dollars. Also, if you have a question for Jimmy, all you have to do is go to AmericanLeakDetection.com. That's AmericanLeakDetection.com. Jimmy, thank you for saving KMIR6 some money, making sure that our toilet is not leaking. Have a great day.
Great, thank you.
And we'll send it right back to you.